was to start over in today's society, how would I go about selling my project to streamers? Would I pitch first or create first, then pitch? Now, for me, if I was to start in today's society again, I would always still create first, then pitch. No question about it. Because in today's society, everyone has an idea, but very few people can execute it. And streamers, producers, other filmmakers are always bombarded with pitches every day. So if you come in with an idea, you're just another voice in the crowd. But if you come in, let's say, with a finished film or a strong proof of concept, you are bringing something to the table, something that is real, something that they can feel, sense, and actually assess. For me, there are three advice I would give for new filmmakers is either you can start off with making a micro budget version of your project, even if it's rough. It can show tone, style, and also your commitment. Or then you can look into self-release of short teasers, trailers, and sizzle reels online to build an audience first. And lastly, leverage crowdfunding or grassroots screenings to generate a base of real world support. And then once this is done, you can strike up a conversation with other producers and streamers, because this time around you are not just pitching an idea. You are offering a finished product with a proof of demand. So the end of the day, the key is do not wait for permission. There's never the right time. Just make the project happen and let the work open the doors for you. Now, your pitch after you create something tangible, you can do that still, but you can start off by something I call soft pitching. And that is something I do on a constant level, from informal conversations, networking, while I'm still creating, while I'm in between projects. And here's a little bit of a breakdown. You have early phases of soft pitching where while you're developing or filming, you start to build the relationships that are needed with producers, streamers, industry contacts. You talk casually about your project. Hey, I'm working on a female-led action trilogy shot in Sydney, Western Sydney. I would love to show you when it's ready. Or I'm now currently in, fundraising stage, crowdfunding stage. You are planting the seed, not formally pitching yet. After, when you have something, this is what I call the hard pitch. Once you have something that is tangible, you're the real deal. You've got a finished film, you've got a high proof of concept, like it could be a sizzle reel pilot episode or like a finished short. You can kind of now you've got leverage to talk business, because then when you speak to people, there's weighting to your wording, because now you have proved something that first off the idea works, second that you can deliver, and thirdly there is already momentum. There is an audience, crowdfunding, festival buzz, etc. So in summary, create first, build buzz during the creation, pitch properly after you have strong material. I hope that helps.